Well, here's where we are. Here's what we're starting with. I have an Atlantic. It has smoke, and it has the gear and the piston, and it's smoking. This has a rebuilt smoke system, one of my newer smart smokes, so it's pretty smart. It gets a volt regulator, and it gets power from the new power distribution module. It also has a digital field converter. So this is now a DC motor, magically, boom, it's DC. So I have a DC reverse unit sitting here, and I'm powering it from the track into the pickup side. I have the tender, and this tender is awesome. It really is. It's old school. It had this huge lead weight. I don't know if I'll put some of it back or not, but I got to find a way of putting my stuff in here. I'm going to use these trucks for initially because they're in such good shape. I may try to just keep it two-wheel pickup or four-wheel pickup. I went through a couple of armatures. I had a bad armature. It's running at half speed or something like that, but we got it running now. Real smooth. Put a ball bearing in the front. I'll show you that later. It has the big and the pull more, and I'm not sure if that's the right combination. We're going to go through some tests on that. Pardon me, but I'm really happy with how fast everything came up. We got forward and reverse. We got puff and chuff built in. We got the smart smoke. We got the power distribution and the digital reverse, digital digital fields. If I put these in the tender and assembled it, then I could say, oh, I'm done. That's that. I also have I have a really clean looking Redding tender body, which I'm always leery about putting metal tender bodies on top of digital, but I'll figure out a way to make that safe and show you how I did that. So this is going to be the level 1 next gen. This is next gen. The option that's not on this one will probably be the trucks. I may just have a separate tender. I don't really want to dink with a tender that's really in not so bad a shape, and it has brass wheels. It's just a classic looking piece. I may want to just keep it that way and let someone else have that fun. I may try build my own tender and my own trucks to do the all-wheel pickup as an option. Okay, but here this thing sells for like $25. This is $15. This is like $5. I'm not sure on the smoke, maybe $15 or $20. I have to go through the math on that. And the fields here are about, I think they're 20 or 25. So I don't know, 25, 25, 50, 50. In the $75 range, you could take a Atlantic from the 50s that doesn't wear on or it's not such good shape. Fingers and brushes and the things. We still have brushes, but we got rid of the fingers and all that jazz. And the smoke's burned out. Okay, we got a new smoke. $75. I don't know. That's level 1 basic is my take on it. And the puff and chuff or mechanical puff and chuff. Next step is there is no smoke. It doesn't even have a gear, or maybe it has a gear but it doesn't have the smoke. And I'll show you how we would build up from that using the 3D printed smoke and then this combination. And then you would need the puff and chuff because you won't have that gear and that piston going in and out. That's how that's going to evolve. And I have found several engines that I want to upgrade in this manner with the basic level 1 next gen S. So this would be a next gen S level 1 basic upgrade, basic conversion. And what you get is the reliability and the use and the increased power and the reduced energy. And as we go into the enhanced and the advanced, you'll see then we'll get into more sounds, more functions, and it gets more exciting. And as we change the drive, like in level 3, then you would take this part out and put in another part, and then you would have different kinds of drive with maybe cruise control and things like that. So this is, aside from the 4-button sound, this is where I want to get to. And the 4-button sounds could be added to this unit once that's ironed out and packaged properly. Then we can come back and put 4-button sounds in things. but I had to back away. It needs more thought, and this is ready, so I wanted to get this out there. I'm on the rolling road too, by the way. Okay, I gotta go. I've been called. The day's over. Smart smoke smokes like a chimney, smokes like a train, isn't it? And
It's a little cloudy down here.
so, at any rate, there it is. And that with a pull more and the big magnets, I'm not sure that's the right combo. We'll go through. I have the mediums right here. I've got non-pull more armature. I'm going to verify what is the right combo for this particular engine to get what we need out of it. Low speed, torque, and high speed operation. Okay, running later. We're still printing rolling road parts. There's a new next batch. And I use it every day, so if you guys want to do any testing on your engines, rolling road's really cool. It works too. Okay, gotta run. Tomorrow's another day. Bye.